Colombia is the only country in South America with coastlines on both the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. It is home to the Andes mountain range, the longest continental mountain range in the world. Colombia is the world's largest producer of emeralds, accounting for about 70 to 90% of global emerald production. The country has 59 national parks, protecting diverse ecosystems ranging from deserts to rainforests. Colombia has three natural regions: the Caribbean region, the Andean region, and the Pacific region. It is famous for its rich biodiversity, hosting over 59,000 species of plants and animals. Colombia is the second most biodiverse country in the world after Brazil. The capital city, Bogota, is located at an altitude of 2,640 meters, 8,661 feet, above sea level. Colombian coffee is renowned globally, and the country is one of the largest coffee producers in the world. The country boasts a wide array of music styles, including cumbia, vallenato, and salsa. Colombia is known for its vibrant culture and colorful festivals, such as the Barranquilla Carnival, one of the largest carnivals in the world. The country hosts the annual Flower Festival in Medellin, showcasing stunning floral displays. Colombia is home to the Amazon rainforest, one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. The country's official language is Spanish, but over 60 indigenous languages are also spoken. Colombia was named after Christopher Columbus, who is credited for discovering the Americas. The country has a rich history of pre-Columbian civilizations, including the Muisca and Tairona. The city of Medellin, once known for its drug-related violence, has transformed into a model of urban innovation and social development. Colombia has a vibrant street art scene, particularly in cities like Bogota and Medellin. The Caribbean coast features beautiful beaches such as those in Cartagena and Santa Marta. Salt Cathedral of Zipaquirá is an underground church built within the tunnels of a salt mine. Colombia is one of the world's top 10 destinations for birdwatching, with over 1,900 bird species. The country is famous for its culinary diversity, with dishes varying between regions, such as bandeja paisa and arepas. Colombia is the only country with a bird on its national flag, specifically, the Andean condor. The country has produced several world-renowned writers, including Gabriel Garcia Marquez, a Nobel Prize winner. La Candelaria is the historical district of Bogota, known for its colonial architecture and vibrant streets. Colombia is a leader in the production of tropical fruits, offering exotic varieties like Lolo, Guanabana, and Maracuya. The country is known for its unique rhythms, with internationally recognized dance styles like salsa being popular, especially in Cali. Colombia is home to the world's largest palm trees, the Quindio wax palms, which can reach heights of up to 60 meters, 197 feet. The country has a variety of climate zones due to its diverse geography, from tropical on the coast to temperate in the Andes. Colombia's biodiversity is matched by its culinary biodiversity, with each region showcasing locally sourced foods. The Medellin Metro, opened in 1995, was the first metro system in Colombia and became a symbol of progress and transformation. Colombia has two coastlines, making it a popular destination for both beach and adventure tourism. The country is known for its unique blend of European, African, and indigenous influences in its culture. The production of gold dates back to ancient cultures, with the famous El Dorado legend rooted in Colombian history. Colombia is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the walled city of Cartagena and the coffee cultural landscape. The country has a reputation for friendly and hospitable people, often referred to as Los Colombianos, the Colombians. Colombia has a vast array of festivals, celebrating everything from coffee to chocolate to flowers. The Amazon River flows through Colombia, providing unique ecosystems and a rich variety of wildlife. Colombia has experienced significant economic growth in recent years, contributing to a decline in poverty rates. The country's national flower, the orchid, holds great significance in Colombian culture. Colombia has a vibrant fashion scene, particularly highlighted during events like Colombia Moda in Medellín. The Café de Colombia brand is a designation awarded to high-quality coffee produced in the country. Colombia's rich cultural heritage is celebrated through traditional crafts, including pottery and textiles. The national soccer team has a strong following, and the country hosted the FIFA U20 World Cup in 2011. Colombia is famous for its picturesque towns, with places like Villa de Leyva offering colonial charm. The country's flag features 3 horizontal stripes, yellow, blue, and red, each with its own significance. Colombia is a major exporter of flowers, particularly to the United States, especially for Valentine's Day. The country is home to several active volcanoes, including Nevado del Ruiz, which is closely monitored due to its potential hazards. Colombia's government has made significant efforts to promote peace and security in the country post-conflict. The Colombian art scene has gained international recognition, particularly through the works of artists like Fernando Botero. The country's diverse landscapes offer a variety of adventure sports, from paragliding to whitewater rafting. Colombia has a high literacy rate, with a strong emphasis on education and access to learning. The country has been influenced by various international dance forms, integrating them into traditional Colombian styles. Colombia is known for its vibrant nightlife, with cities like Bogotá and Medellín offering numerous clubs and bars. The picturesque town of Cartagena is also known for its historic walls and colonial architecture. Colombia has several unique coffee-growing regions, including the Coffee Triangle, which is designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The country has been featured in various popular TV shows and films, increasing its visibility on the global stage. Colombia introduced the world to the famous singer Shakira, who has achieved global fame.